In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to query data in Azure Cosmos DB efficiently, focusing on querying via the Data Explorer in the Azure portal using SQL API or NoSQL containers. To start with, let's make sure we've covered some prerequisites that are crucial for our journey into querying. Before you begin running any queries, it's essential to ensure that you already have a Cosmos DB account set up. You'll also need a database and a container created specifically for NoSQL or SQL API. Knowing your partition key is very important for optimizing your queries and managing request unit costs efficiently, as partition keys significantly influence how the data is distributed and accessed within your Cosmos DB. Now, let's delve into querying via Data Explorer, found in the Azure portal. First, navigate to your Cosmos DB account via the portal and select Data Explorer. Once there, you'll need to expand your database and then your container. You'll notice options appear where you can choose either Items or New SQL Query. Selecting one of these will provide you with the ability to enter your SQL-style queries. Let's work through a simple example of a query. Suppose you need to retrieve a document by its unique ID. You'd enter a command like this one, select from C, where CID equals Wakefield family. This query fetches all documents where the ID matches Wakefield family, a straightforward task that serves as a great starting point. After entering your query, the next step is to execute it by clicking the Execute or Run button. Once your query runs successfully, you'll receive a set of results. This output includes not just the data itself, but also valuable metadata. This metadata encompasses the number of items returned by your query, a detail that provides insights into the scope of your query results. Additionally, you'll find information on the request units, or RUs, consumed by the query. Understanding your RU consumption can help you manage and anticipate costs more effectively as you refine and scale your queries. Next, let's talk about filtering nested properties within your data. Consider this query as an example. Select CID, caddress.city, from C, where caddress.state equal NY. This query demonstrates accessing and filtering based on nested properties, making it highly useful for more complex data scenarios where you need precise information. In this case, you are selecting the city and the ID data points from documents where the state is New York. This approach highlights the power and flexibility of Cosmos DB's query capabilities by allowing you to interact deeply with the data based on various parameters. By understanding how to leverage these queries, you can significantly enhance your data retrieval processes. Mastering queries in Cosmos DB not only fetches data with precision, but also ensures that you're using your resources wisely. Querying with knowledge of structure and optimization, you'll be well equipped to handle data retrieval tasks efficiently. Thank you for joining me today as we navigated the foundational elements of querying in Azure Cosmos DB.